allowing this event to happen and for us to be able to support EJ, his endeavors.
Aww.
And of course, having this platform to represent Philippine sports. So thank you. Thank you all for being here.
Hi everyone, my name is Baby, your karate girl. I'm very honored to be here. We all love EJ and I've been supporting him, and today I'm very excited to be amongst elite athletes and amazing people, so I'm just excited for today.
Hello everyone, I'm Alive. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. It's just so nice to see everyone making time for EJ and for this meet and greet. So sana po mag-enjoy tayo. We're all excited and sana madadalong kayo matutunan sa amin. Pag uwi nyo, may dala-dala kayo, may bangon kayo pauwi.
You know what's interesting, Migs, is we have 4 sports on stage.